Hello, a quick tool review. Picked this up the other day. It's a little 1/4 inch NAPA ratchet. It's made in Taiwan. Supposedly it comes with a lifetime warranty. It's not a snap-on tool. It's not a snap-on quality tool. But for the price, I think you can normally pick these up for around about £15. It is really nicely finished. It's got a really nice action to it. It just feels nice. It's obviously repairable. On the reverse, it clearly gives you a repair kit number. I'm just really impressed with it for the money. It's a nice weight. It feels balanced in the hand. I've done a few little jobs with it around the house and on the car earlier with it, and quite like it. I'm quite surprised. I thought it was going to be one of those ones like a Halford's advanced tool where I'd be like, it's cheap, it's cheerful, it does the job, and it'll just sit in the workshop in the toolbox and it won't get used, and I'll just pull out my snap-on one all often. But I think I'm going to use this a bit more often, and I've just ordered the 1/2 inch one as well, and I want to see what that's like as well. But here's some details for you. So it's the 4-inch teardrop ratchet. It's got a 6-inch ratchet swing, only 60 teeth, which is a little bit disappointing. It's made in Taiwan, it's not made in America, but it's really nice. Go and buy one, try one out, see what you think.